To use MobileHMI on Windows without any downloading of application, first of all, open the Microsoft Edge here. Go to your server. For example, I use my local server here and then /MobileHMI and hit enter. Now go to the App Hub. Click on the three dot icon here. More tools. Apps. Install this site as an app and name it, for example here, App Hub, and hit install. And now you have an option to pin this app to the taskbar or pin to the start menu, and you can create the desktop shortcut as well. You can enable auto start on the device login and hit allow. Now you have the shortcut here and at start menu here. You can click on that and it will open the mobile application here.